This is the unboxing of the McDodo wireless receiver with audio cable. This is a USB-A to DC 3.5mm jack, and it has a built-in microphone, stereo and Bluetooth. This is the model CA870, is 1.7 meter in length, made out of zinc alloy, and has a transmission distance of 10 meters. It weighs about 18 grams and has the color black, and it has hands-free calling and support for 2 devices simultaneously. So you can use this in your car if it has a USB port and a auxiliary input jack, or you also can use it with conventional speakers like a old style stereo system which doesn't have Bluetooth. I got this as a way to connect the phone with the car stereo, so I can use the car speaker to listen to podcasts. So let's unbox it. This is by the way, cost around $8. There are many different brands who make this device. This one is made by McDodo, which makes accessories for phones and tablets, and they are also making cables, and they are usually quite cheap compared to other brands, and is made in China from Guangdong. And as you can see, it's nylon braided cable, and there are 2 lines over here, and this is the USB device, and also here is probably the microphone. In the user manual it says first connect it to the USB-A power and 3.5mm into the auxiliary port of your audio system. In this case is the car, and then on the phone you will have to turn on your Bluetooth settings and see the McDodo CA870 device and pair it with it, and that's all. Then you should be clear to go. And here is the guarantee policy, and it's also flexible, so it's metal, it's not plastic. And so let's try it out if it works. So here's the USB plug. Just plug it in over here, and the 3.5mm jack here. Turn on the car to use the radio. Now we should see the Bluetooth. We need to turn on the radio to the McDodo, and once connected you will be able to play sound from your phone to the car speaker. Just remember to set the input to auxiliary so that the radio can use the Bluetooth connection from your phone. And now we can test with the podcast and see if it plays the sound to the car speaker. And as we see, the sound quality is quite good, comes out of the speakers. Try with another podcast.
You're listening to TIP.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Investors Podcast. I'm your host, Clay Fink. On today's episode, I'm going to be covering...
And it's also working well, just this a slight delay from when you press on play and until the sound comes out of the speaker.